Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic that is about the slope of the secant line. So now I want to show you how to answer. The formula we have m equals to f of b minus f of 8 over b minus 8. So I will select about this one. So we have f of number 3 minus this one, f of negative number 3 over number 3 minus negative number 3. So f of number 3, that is this one, and we have negative number 1. F of negative number 3, that is about this one. From here we have number 3. So we calculate this one, and we have negative number 2 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.